Thursday, January 2nd, 2020. It's about 11:55 a.m. and that's Arizona time, although we're in California, Abbotsford Landing Resort and Casino Campground. Our door lock, lower latch on our door locks, plural, that's the red one there. The plate's coming loose. Originally there had been a flat washer with a rivet holding that in place. And we were in Victorville in May of 2019. It came loose, and people we were staying with, he has a metal lathe, and he used that lathe to put a nut on the back of this thing. Well, I didn't use Loctite at that time, and the plate's coming loose, so I'm going to open it up, tighten it down. I've got some glue to put to it. Goop, not glue.
In Scotland, because the Scots celebrate Hogmanay, so
there's three bolts holding that. Okay. 3 bolts holding that big plate in place, and it needs one of these star screwdrivers, or sometimes called a torque driver. The handle, the black handle itself, doesn't come off the plate, but we got to remove the red rubber cover off the bottom and that silver dial off the top.
Kick those New Year's resolutions into gear at Old Navy with up to 50% off all Old Navy Active right now. All your favorite activewear is on sale, from hoodies to sweatshirts to the new elevated power soft fabric. All Old Navy Active is up to 50% off. Just $8.
I don't know how much for the camera.
This deal won't last long.
Huh?
It ends soon at Old Navy and OldNavy.com. Valid 1/2 to 1/9.
I don't know how much of me is going to be in that video, but we're going to give it a try.
52% of guys over 40 experience ED. Roman is here to help. With Roman, you can chat with a U.S. licensed physician about treatment options. If your doctor decides treatment is right for you, Roman can ship your prescription right to your door with free 2-day shipping. Start your free online visit and get free 2-day shipping when you visit GetRoman.com/talk. That's GetRoman.com/talk. Additional terms, conditions, and eligibility requirements apply. Visit GetRoman.com/talk for more details.
This is WILK, powered by Gallia Insurance and Music. Online at GalliaInsurance.com.
Powering on.
We put this video up on YouTube and it has a copyrighted radio program. YouTube won't run it, so I cut the radio. Now, I don't know how much is showing in that video. You might have noticed that the lock just dropped. Oh, one more thing here. Closing the door here and going this way. It's really hard within oh, come on. The lower lock there.
I seen your crack in a big storm.
Let's do it one more time here. Okay, that lower lock. It's connected to that plate with the red rubber on it. When that plate falls loose, this lock just falls to the ground. The top one is just a deadbolt lock. It stays there. Okay, that's enough for this. And we have a neighbor here, so I'm going to cut the video until we move on to the next phase.